Welcome to our Wealth Builder Academy video blog, the pioneer in building wealth with digital properties. Thank you for watching our daily video blog. If you find our video blog helpful, like it, and subscribe below. And don't forget to click the notification bell so we can notify you when we add a new video blog. If you would like a chance to win a Wealth Builder Academy course, leave the best comment below. We pick a winner weekly. There are really several ways to earn money online. Some of them are undoubtedly more financially rewarding than others, however. There are lots of frauds for supposedly making cash online that don't actually work, and you end up losing money. As a basic guideline, if the online money-making opportunity asks for money, it is probably not a good thing. Legitimate ways to make cash online will not ask you for money to get the job. If you choose that a home business is the best way to make cash online, then you will probably have to spend some money to get started. One manner in which individuals are generating income online is by having several various earnings streams. This implies that you do a lot of things online that make a little bit of money, which ends up being a reasonable amount of money when you add them all up. Some people fill out surveys, do some writing, check out emails, offer things on eBay, or even do affiliate marketing. These are all good ways to have numerous streams of income making money online. There are actual jobs readily available online. Telecommuting from home is one of the best ways to make money online. Similar to any way to make money, the very best way of making money online is to follow your enthusiasm. First, find something you enjoy doing, then find a method to utilize it for generating income online. You also need to consider your time commitment. Find a way to make money online that won't use up all of your spare time if you are already working a full-time job. As soon as you have actually figured out how you prepare to make money online, spend the time you require. Numerous individuals begin an online business but lose interest and quit. There are lots of scams for supposedly making cash online that don't really work, and you end up losing money. As a general rule, if the online money-making opportunity asks for money, it is most likely not a great thing. Genuine ways to make money online will not ask you for cash to get the job. If you choose home services as the best way to make money online, then you will probably have to spend some money to get started. Telecommuting from the house is one of the best ways to make money online. Thank you for watching our daily video blog. If you would like to begin making money online today, go to our amazing Wealth Builder Academy website below for our list of money-making courses. And remember to leave a comment below for a chance to win a free Wealth Builder Academy course today. Thank you.